So I ended up having to go buy a tap and die setup from Advance, and I'm hoping. All right, so I'm hoping this will do it. Looks like it's the M10 1.25. So I'm gonna tap and die it. I bought some new nuts. I'm gonna use the die and chase the threads. I bought some new nuts. So we'll see if that can help. All I needed to do is really be able to torque down. Okay, so if you look, I got it started. It's a pretty cheap set. It actually is really shitty. I mean, yeah, I need it, so it is what it is. I'll maybe order a better set. But yeah. Anyway, basically working on to where it's flush, and that was the hardest part. To be honest with you, was working it on to where it was flush. I took a hammer and kind of just tapped it until I got it straight, and then I was able to work the die. Okay, so I don't know what the fuck just happened to this thing, but anyway, you'll see it. It'll start letting off pieces of metal. You know you're chasing it. I'm sure you guys know, but anyway, I'm just explaining it for the people who don't. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I got a new setup here and it's becoming kind of a pain to work with, but gets better video. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one as well after, just cause you could tell they kind of ate that one up as well. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up and get to work.
Did what I had to do and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Cheap thrills, cheap tricks. Woo, it seems like the way I live. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should take it, take off? I gotta rest, I'm feeling so good. In me I know it, but I'm misunderstood. Feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die. I gotta rest, I don't know what
See.
nothing to reach and
That is a lot better. Hell yeah. Okay. Good. I guess we'll know when we put this on. Yes. Okay, so look. Suspension actually goes on good. Tight, not slipping. So I'm happy with that. In the comments, if anybody's changed their springs, their setup, let me know. I kind of think I want to go with a progressive spring, get away from the air rod. The air rod is smooth, but mine doesn't seem to be holding. So I think the seal in there could be shot. But if anybody knows of a good website where I can buy some, let me know, because I've been looking and I can't find anything that's compatible. All right, thank you.
shot. Said I should be a big 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 shot.
All right, so we're at the point now where I have just about everything back together but the bags. Guess I'm gonna put the bags back on and go for a test ride and see. But just so you guys can see, I do have the suspension on. Okay, this side's all complete. Now the only thing that has me worried, because like I said, I'm not a Kawasaki mechanic or anything, is the alignment of that back wheel. So I guess I'll know pretty quick if it's aligned or not. I'm sure you get a wobble or some weird shit. So I double checked, triple checked it. It's pretty close as far as I could tell on both sides. I marked it, it's back to the mark. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it, move some cars, and go for a test ride.
But this is our new satisfaction. Chip thrill, chip tricks. Woo! It seems like the way to live. Said I should be a big shot. Said I should take it TikTok. I got a rails. I'm feeling so good. In me, I know it, but I'm misunderstood. A feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die.
I got all my stuff put together.
I probably should wait before I put the bag back on, but
We're gonna take a little bit 2 seconds to take this off. And I'm trying, I don't want to lose or have one of these wires going on my spoke or something. But I'm back. I was saying on a different note, anybody that does YouTube, are you guys having issues with your GoPro and your mic modules and all that stuff working together? It's starting to get pretty old. I try to record and GoPro freezes and battery doesn't want to, work with the GoPro. Just all kind of old shit. It's starting to get old. I'm willing to switch out. You guys got anything better? I don't have the money for a DLR right now. But unless you guys have a workaround or a little better solution.